In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow a Shorts channel to 1,000 subscribers fast with AI clips. The first thing you want to do is choose a high-demand niche. This matters because growth comes much faster when you create content people are already actively watching. Good examples include motivation, finance, business, AI tools, health tips, celebrity news, productivity, and fun facts. Pick one niche and stay focused so the platform can better understand who to show your content to. Next, research viral shorts in that niche. Spend some time searching YouTube shorts and look for videos pulling in strong views. Pay close attention to the hook at the beginning, the overall video length, the editing style, the captions, and the call to action. You're not copying, you're studying patterns that already work. After that, find long form content you can turn into shorts, podcasts, interviews, webinars, and educational videos are all great sources because they usually contain multiple valuable moments that can be repurposed into short clips. Now upload that long form content into an AI clipping tool like Opus Clip. The goal here is to let AI identify the most engaging sections and turn them into short form videos quickly. This saves a huge amount of editing time and helps you scale faster. Once your clips are generated, add captions. This is extremely important because many people watch shorts without sound. Well-styled subtitles also help hold attention and make your content easier to follow. From there, make sure each short starts with a strong hook in the first 1 to 3 seconds. You can do this with surprising facts, questions, bold statements, or shocking statistics. That opening moment is what gets people to stop scrolling. Keep your video length optimized, ideally between 15 and 45 seconds. Fast pacing is key, so trim out unnecessary pauses and anything that slows the clip down. Also make sure you export in vertical 9:16 format so the video displays correctly as a YouTube short. Then write SEO-friendly titles that create curiosity and encourage clicks. Titles like "This AI tool changed everything," or "Why most people never get rich" are simple but effective because they make viewers want to know more. Post consistently and, if possible, upload multiple shorts per day. Consistency gives YouTube more data and helps it find the right audience faster. In each video, include a simple call to action like subscribe for more tips or more videos like this coming soon. Finally, analyze performance inside YouTube Analytics. Focus on retention rate, average view duration, subscribers gained, and your top performing topics. When something works, double down on that topic, format, and style. As you grow, scale with automation for clip extraction, captions, titles, and repurposing. Keep posting, keep testing, and keep improving until you reach 1,000 subscribers.